Hi and welcome back once again to Dacty for Use channel. I hope everybody is doing great and you guys are staying safe and staying home. Thank you guys so much for all the love and the support. I really appreciate it so much. And all I can say is that God richly bless you guys so much. So today we are just going to make a Ghanaian popular snack called kelewele, guys. So without wasting much time, let me walk you through the ingredients. So here are my ingredients. So here I have pepper, ginger, garlic that I'll be using, and on the other side, yeah, that is my pepper, ginger, garlic, and I have here my onions. I'll leave everything in the descriptive box below. I have rosemary, anise, uh that is African nutmeg, cloves, salam of grains, and just a little bit of Maggi stock cube that is optional. And here is my ripe plantain. So what I'm yeah, and guys, I always add a little bit of green pepper or red bell pepper to my mixture because I want that flavor. If you know me, you know I always want to go the extra miles. I love trying stuff up. So here I'm going to just peel and cut my ripe plantains to my desired shapes that I want. And guys, mind you, this plantain had a good bath before it was thought to be to get ripe. I always, as I'm telling you, I'm bathing my, like, everything that I buy, I'll bath you, I will disinfect you. Oh my god, this thing is, I don't know if I'm going a little bit overboard over everything or I'm exaggerating. I don't know, but I think I follow my instincts. I do what is right for me, so you can do what is right for you. But for me, these days, I'm just an annoying person. I'm being just an annoying person. If you stay with me, God, the instructions is too much. My husband can't take the instructions no more because, oh god, he has to go through a lot of process when he goes out and he comes back in before. And he's always like, oh, this is too much, this is too much. I say, hey, my kids are young, you are grown, you can die. My kids are still young and they need to grow. So I won't let you go out there and bring anything to, like, infect them with. So you have to do it, you got to do it, you have no option, and then you just have to do it. So here I was just cutting my plantains to the shape that I want. And guys, I'm telling you, this was so nice. If you haven't, like, add a kick of uh if you haven't add green pepper to your kelewele sauce, like the sauce before, go ahead and add it, guys. It gives it a very nice scent. And you know, green pepper is just nice to have in your food. And guys, I love vegetables, so I try to add vegetables to everything. So go ahead and try it, give it a try, and then you will thank me later. I'm telling you, the even the aroma of the green pepper when the thing is frying is everything. So here I'm almost done cutting my plantains. So what I do is that I just put it in a container. You can put it in anything that have a lid, or you can cover it later. So I just put it in, and then I go ahead to add in all my the blended mixture that I showed you guys earlier, and then I will stir everything. So here I have it all in. So what I'm going to do, I just sprinkle just a little bit of salt to it. That is what I'm doing right now. I sprinkle a little bit of salt to it. Then I'll go ahead and then add in the blended mixture. Give it a thorough, like, make sure that every bit of the plantains in there is covered, like it's covered very well with the sauce. Yeah, be generous with the sauce, guys. You just need to be generous with it. And then I stir everything very well, and I will just cover it and put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes. I just want It's like I'm marinating my chicken or something. I just wanted to like the spices to just penetrate inside, like be inside the uh the plantains and make it so sweet, guys. That is what how I do it, and it always comes out nice. Yeah, so now this is it after 15 minutes. Yeah, I put it in the fridge for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes I just brought it out, and now we are going to fry. So my oil is hot enough at this time, so I just put as much as my oil can take. My saucepan is big, so I think I fried it about two. I went in 2 rounds. So here you don't have to fry it on a very high heat. Your heat has to be medium moderate heat so that you don't burn it. And guys, just look at it. So you have to keep on stirring from time to time. You need to keep on stirring from time to time, and when it's golden brown, then your snack, your kelewele, is all done, guys. And at this time it was getting done. Even at this time it's cooked. I'm telling you, the kelewele is like it's almost cooked at this time, but you want to let it brown a little bit to get that, like you see that golden color, just a little bit, so that like it will be more appetizing and appealing to the eye. So guys, this is it. At this time you can just take it out, but I wanted mine a little bit like brown, yeah, like this. So here it's all done, guys, and now I'm going to just take it out of the oil and then put it in my on a sheet, a paper towel, for the paper towel to absorb some of the oil from it. So that is what I'm doing right now. I'm just taking them out of the oil at this time, and guys, I'm telling you, our kalawale is done. You can eat this with rice, jollof rice, fried rice, granuts. You can use it. So this is it with granuts. You can eat it as a snack, and you can also eat it as a side dish. Thank you so much for watching. But me, I was going to have my with my beef and veggie jollof rice. Guys, if you haven't seen this video, it's on my channel. You check for it, and I'm telling you, this was the great combo. It was so nice, so delicious. Oh my god, just try it. Look at it, so yummy. Thank you.